In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google image search to identify eBay items. If you've ever come across an item on eBay and wondered if you could find more information about it, such as similar products or even a more competitive price elsewhere, then this tutorial is just for you. First, you'll need to be logged into your eBay account. This isn't necessarily required for the Google image search, but having all your settings in place will ensure you're ready to take full advantage of eBay's features. Once you're in, navigate to the eBay listing of the item you're interested in. This is typically the step where you've seen an item and now want to dig deeper. When you're on the product page, find the image of the item. Right click on it. This action will open a context menu with several options. From these, choose Save Image As, and go ahead to save it on your device. Make sure you note down the location where you're saving the image so you can easily find it later. With your image saved, open your web browser and type in images.google.com, which takes you to Google Images. At the top right of the search bar, you'll see a little camera icon. Click on this camera icon. It's the gateway to uploading your image. Once clicked, a small box will pop up with options for either pasting an image URL or uploading an image. You'll want to select Upload File and then navigate to the location where you saved your eBay image. Select your saved photo and click Open. Give it a moment and Google will process the image. What comes up next are visually similar images and related product names. Now comes the fun part. The search results can reveal a host of information. Take your time to review these results carefully. Look for items, brands, or product titles that match the image from your eBay listing. Sometimes you'll immediately recognize a more specific product name or see various brands that sell similar items. The information you extract from this search can be incredibly beneficial. You can use the details to refine your search on eBay, ensuring that you find exactly what you're looking for, perhaps at a better price or with a seller who has a better reputation. Additionally, comparing prices can often help you spot a great deal or identify a listing that's overpriced. Evaluating seller descriptions with the information you gain also makes you a more informed buyer, potentially leading to smarter purchasing decisions. Remember that knowledge is power, and Google image search can be a powerful tool to uncover more about eBay listings with just a simple image upload. Happy eBaying!